Imagine you are walking into a cozy cafe on a sunny morning. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air, and you see a friendly barista behind the counter, ready to take your order. You walk up to the counter, look at the menu, and get ready to order. Let's learn together how to order food and drinks at a cafe or coffee shop in English. First, let's talk about how to order a drink. When you want to ask for something, you can use these polite phrases. Can I have? I'd like. Could I get? These are common and friendly ways to ask for what you want. Let's see how this works. Imagine you want a hot drink, like a latte. You can say, "Can I have a small latte, please?" Here, "can I have" is the phrase you use to order. A small latte is your drink and the size you want. Finally, "please" makes your request polite. You can also say, "I'd like a cappuccino, please." Or, "Could I get a black coffee, please?" Now, maybe you want something cold because it's a warm day. You can use the same phrases. "I'd like an iced tea." "Can I have a cold brew coffee, please?" "Could I get an iced chocolate, please?" If you want to ask about the options, for example, what kinds of tea they have, you can say, "What kind of tea do you have?" "Do you have green tea?" "What flavors of smoothies do you have?" These are great ways to find out more about what's on the menu. Let's try ordering a snack. Maybe you see a delicious chocolate croissant in the display case. You can say, "Could I get a chocolate croissant, please?" "I'd like a blueberry muffin, please." "Can I have a slice of banana bread, please?" If you want to order more than one thing, you can put them together. "Can I have a small latte and a chocolate croissant, please?" "I'd like an iced tea and a blueberry muffin, please." If the barista asks you a question, like, "What size would you like?" you can answer with, "Small, please." "Medium, please." "Large, please." You can also ask questions if you're not sure about something. For example, "What kind of milk do you have? Do you have any dairy-free options? Is the sandwich vegetarian?" As you finish your order, it's always nice to say thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You can also say, "Have a nice day," or if the barista says, "Have a nice day," to you, you can reply with, "You too, thanks." Now let's see a full example. Imagine the conversation. You, "Can I have a small latte, please?" Barista, "Of course. Would you like any sugar or syrup?" You, "No, thank you." Barista, "Anything else?" You, "Could I get a chocolate croissant as well?" Barista, "Sure. Is that everything?" You, "Yes, thank you." Barista, "That will be $5. You pay. "Thank you. Have a nice day." Barista, "You too." Now you see how easy it is to order food and drinks politely at a cafe in English. Let's practice some key phrases together. Listen and repeat after me. "Can I have a small latte, please?" "I'd like an iced tea." "Could I get a chocolate croissant?" "What kind of tea do you have?" "Thank you." "Have a nice day." Now it's your turn. I'll say a phrase, and you repeat after me. What size would you like? Repeat. Anything else? Repeat. Is that everything? Repeat. Do you have almond milk? Repeat. Great job! Practice makes perfect. Let's do a quick exercise. I'll say a sentence with a missing word. Try to fill in the blank with the right word. "I'd like a large..." Please? What can you say here? You can say coffee, tea, latte, or any drink. "Can I have a..." muffin, please? You can say blueberry, chocolate, banana, or your favorite flavor. "Could I get an iced..." please? You can say tea, coffee, latte, or any cold drink. Now let's try a role play. Imagine you are at a cafe. You want to order a coffee and a muffin. What would you say? Take a moment, think about it, and say your sentence out loud. You might say, "Can I have a medium coffee and a blueberry muffin, please?" Or, "I'd like a large latte and a chocolate muffin, please." Remember, you can always add please at the end to be extra polite. Here are some tips for when you go to a cafe. 1. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry if you make a mistake. The barista will help you. 2. Use polite words like please and thank you. 3. If you don't understand something, it's okay to ask, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Or, "Could you repeat that, please?" 4. If you are not sure what to order, ask about the menu. "What do you recommend?" Or, "What's popular here?" 5. Practice your order at home before you go so you feel more confident. Let's review the main phrases one more time. To order. Can I have? I'd like. Could I get? To ask about options. Do you have? What kind of do you have? For a polite closing. Thank you. Have a nice day. Ordering at a cafe is a great way to practice your English. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Try to listen to how other people order, and don't be afraid to try new phrases. Remember, everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. The important thing is to keep trying and to enjoy the experience. Thank you for joining this guide. Next time you visit a cafe or coffee shop, you'll know exactly what to say. Have a great day and happy ordering.